How to connect Instagram account to edits. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can connect your Instagram account to edits, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to connect your Instagram account to the edits app, you want to simply make sure to launch the edits app first. Now, if you have your account logged in on Instagram, edits app will automatically ask you to continue with that account. So if you're sure, you can just select that and it will auto connect using the same account. But you can also tap on switch account from the bottom of the screen and you can choose other accounts that your Instagram account has. So once you select that account, you'll also be able to connect those accounts to Instagram edits. This way you can connect your Instagram and edits account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.